Hello everybody, Russ here from ProSteam, and once again we're going to be working on a commercial luxury vinyl tile floor. This floor is in a hair salon in Surrey, and today we are simply just going to deep clean the floor, ready for its grand reopening in 2 days time. Unfortunately, due to the fact that we've only got 2 days, we can only deep clean the floor. We can't reseal it. We can't seal it at all. And this floor is crying out to be sealed with the PU sealer to mask some of the damage. And there's some nasty scratches on this floor. But never mind. We're going to deep clean the floor. That's going to improve its appearance. And then later on in the year, when the shop closes down for Christmas, we are then going to come back. We're going to strip the floor, deep clean it, and then we're going to apply our PU sealer. And the PU sealer will certainly mask a lot of the damage on this floor. But anyway, let's come back to this after we've cleaned it. Let's see how it looks then. We return back to this floor 3 hours later. It has taken 3 hours because there was a lot to do. Now, unfortunately, parts of the floor are quite badly scratched, as you can see here. But what we've managed to do is remove all the dirt. And what we see now is a beautiful looking marble effect LVT floor. It's still drying off over there. I'll just walk you through. So it's important, obviously, when your customers walk into the shop and they see a nice clean floor. It reflects very well on how the salon is being managed. And there you have it. Now, we are going to return back to this salon later on in the year, probably over the Christmas period, and we're going to deep clean the floor again, and then we're going to apply our Dr. Schutz PU anti-colour sealer, which is resistant to hair dyes and abrasion. And we're also going to apply or add a non-slip product just to this area here, where the stylists are washing hair. There's going to be water, obviously spillages and things, so it's very important that this area here is non-slip, so nobody can slip up. And we're also going to apply it to the step there. The rest of the floor will have PU anti-colour applied, and we will also use an additive that helps to fill any imperfections in the floor, such as light scratches and scuffs. So whether or not it will improve this remains to be seen, but there you go. Floor is clean. The salon is now ready to open in 3 days time, and due to lockdown restrictions being lifted, people can now have their hair cut and styled.